Oh, hello. Guys, I can hear something. Something very loud is coming.
I will protect you, my queen.
Hey guys, welcome back to Maga Family Channel. We're gonna start working on a new project while we're stuck at home on quarantine.
So my dad brought a lot of cardboard from work, and my mom's going to make us a cardboard fort.
Yep. We're getting bored at home. We need to do something. All right, we'll get busy. So we got the door. So now I'm gonna start working on two sides, two windows. So cut out the two windows. There's one, and there's two. And the next step, I'm gonna connect all those three pieces together with duct tape. So guys, we're gonna move to this room because there's a little bit more space.
That's so cool.
I think it's a little bit too big. Okay, so we got the castle looking thing. Well, now I'm gonna work on the back side and the roof. So guys, I did not have enough of cardboard. I asked Ben to bring me some more to make a roof over. So I need like 5 more pieces, I think. So maybe if he's gonna bring it tomorrow, I'll finish it tomorrow then. Guys, so it's the second day. Ben brought some more cardboard for me, so I'm gonna put on a time lapse and I'll just glue the top. I'll make a roof for them. my project to office because kids are watching TV and just trying to get inside of this thing. I actually never plan you or tell you what I'm doing. You guys saw I made the castle already for them and ready for a couple of days Ezra and Sebastian sleep in it. And I wanna make a tank. So I'll make a tank and I actually pretty much done. I think I'll finish it today.
Welcome back to the Maga Family Channel. Right now we're gonna go check it out what's inside of this castle. Oh. This is our trusty lion here to protect us.
Oh, hello,
King Ezra.
King Ezra. What you doing? Are you reading books? No? Oh.
Our little jokers here. In our peaceful castle, this is our reading area. And this is our sleeping area.
And your lion looks like enjoying.
My fingers.
He's shooting your fingers. Oh, hello. Let me see. Isaac. Hi, baby. Are you gonna be? Oh, I'm sorry. I guess we're interrupting his sleep time. Yes. All right. Guys, I can hear something. Something very loud is coming.
Oh, I will protect you, my queen. As a king, I have a horse. I will protect you, my queen.
My king, I think we need to share this castle with him.
Okay.
Peace.
Peace.
Peace. Good.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this
bell?
video
The bell?
to never miss a video.
Bye.